In this video, we listed the 5 best TIG welding machine on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Plasmargon Tig200A Machine. The TOZENS TIG 200 is an advanced welding machine designed for efficient and reliable performance in both TIG and MMA welding applications. Originating from mainland China, this model features IGBT inverter technology, which ensures powerful welding capabilities while providing essential overload protection against overvoltage, low voltage, overcurrent, and overheating. This welder promotes smooth arc initiation and stable welding with minimal noise and spatter, resulting in a clean weld appearance. It automatically adjusts to dual voltage and frequency, 110, 220V, 50/60 Hz, making it versatile for different environments. The package includes a TIG torch, MMA welding torch, ground clamp, and 3 sets of TIG consumables, though users should note that plug types may vary by country. With its CE certification, the TOZENS TIG 200 stands out as a dependable choice for both professional welders and DIY enthusiasts. Number 2. HITBOX Tig Machine. The HITBOX HT200A AC DC aluminum TIG welding machine is a versatile welding tool designed for various welding applications, including TIG and MMA, ARC welding. Originating from mainland China, this machine operates on an AC input voltage of 220V ±10% and features advanced inverter technology that delivers a stable and concentrated arc. It boasts a rated input power of 5.8 kVA and an input current of 26.3 A, with a maximum TIG output of 200A at 18V and an MMA output of 180A at 27.2V, suitable for welding materials such as stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum. It offers adjustable pulse frequency, duty cycle, and arc characteristics for optimized welding performance. The device is CE certified and comes in a compact design with a protection class of IP21S. Customers have the option to choose their plug type during order placement, accommodating European, American, UK, and Australian standards. With a rated duty cycle of 60% and an efficiency of 85%, the HITBOX HT200A is an ideal choice for both professional and hobbyist welders seeking high-quality performance. Number 3. HITBOX HT200A Machine. The HITBOX HT200A AC/DC welding machine is a versatile and advanced inverter welding device designed for various applications, including TIG and MMA stick welding. With a rated input voltage of AC 220V ±10% and a power of 5.8 kVA, this machine can deliver impressive output currents of up to 200A for TIG and 180A for MMA, ensuring strong and stable arc performance. It features easy arc initiation and adjustable parameters such as arc initiation and stop currents, pulsation frequency, and duty cycle, enhancing its adaptability for welding different materials, including stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum. Certified with CE and protected under Class IP21S, this welding machine combines efficiency, 85%, and durability in a compact design, making it suitable for both professional and hobbyist use. The package includes essential accessories such as a TIG torch, electrode holder, earth clamp, and tungsten electrodes, ensuring users have everything needed to start welding right away. Number 4. KEYUE TIG 200G Machine. The KEYUE TIG 200G cold welding machine is a versatile inverter welding solution designed for various applications, including MMA, hot TIG, cold TIG, and clean functions. Originating from mainland China, this machine operates on a single-phase input voltage of 220V and utilizes IGBT technology for efficient performance. It features a rated input power of 6.9 kVA for MMA and 4.9 kVA for TIG welding, with output currents ranging from 20-150A for MMA and 10-170A for TIG. The duty cycle is rated at 30% for higher currents and 100% for lower ones, ensuring consistent operation. Weighing 5.22 kilograms and measuring 450 by 245 by 315 millimeters in packed dimensions, the machine is equipped with essential accessories, including a 3M grounding cable, a 4M QQ200G TIG torch, tungsten and nozzles, a gas pipe, and more, making it a comprehensive and portable welding solution. The device is CE certified, assuring safety and compliance with international standards. Number 5. HZ200A Machine. The HZ200A is a versatile TIG cold welding machine designed for precision welding, offering a robust performance with a current range of 10-200A and duty cycle of 90%. Equipped with inverter technology using IGBT, the welder operates on a 220V input and features high-frequency arc ignition and a no-load voltage of DC 62. This machine supports multiple welding processes, including DC TIG and arc MMA welding, and is suited for various base materials such as carbon stainless and low-alloy steel. Its impressive pulse capabilities allow for welding ultra-thin plates without deformation, with adjustable pulse frequency ranging from 0.2 to 200 Hz. Additional features include a digital welding torch for efficient remote control, quick plug safety to prevent overheating, and an automatic standby mode to conserve energy after 3 minutes of no load. CE certified and with an IP21 protection grade, the HBT2000P combines advanced functionality with robust safety and efficiency measures, making it an ideal choice for professionals seeking high-quality welding solutions.